Hi, I'm excited. We're gonna have a look at the water purifier. This is a 5-stage stainless water purifier, which we are going to install in a concrete companion. Now let's quickly have a look here and see what we got in the box. There's a whole bag full of some loose parts, but we'll get to that just now. Let's have a look at the big boy. Look at this. It's all stainless. It's got a small screen there which indicates the usage. Even got a gauge, and this is proper. You can actually feel the quality, the weight of it. My fingers are just creating a bit of a touch marks there on the panel. So it's the 5 stages. Let's quickly have a look at some of the extras. This is the tap. So obviously we can use this tap, or we can maybe divert to a different type of tap. But I see this tap can actually take apart, so we can maybe mount that. You can take this off, put it in a drawer, and once you want to use it, pop this back up and open the tap up. That's maybe a good idea. We'll have a look once we get to the fitment. Also in the bag here, braided hose. It's all quality, all very good quality. Here's our hose for the filter. The filter release tool, instruction manual. Then I see there is 2 valves here, which obviously gives you a couple of options. This one is the one with a small nipple. That's obviously for that hose coming out there. And there's a 3-way valve here as well. And guys, you can actually feel the quality. They even sent some plumber's tape for us. So guys, yeah, we're going to fit this in a concrete companion, and I'll go through the fitments with you guys in the following videos.